Have you ever had an electric stove, dryer, water heater, or air conditioner suddenly stop working properly, but the breaker didn't look tripped? Well, sometimes the problem isn't the appliance at all. Sometimes the breaker itself is falling. Today, let's talk about electric breakers, switch, and why a bad breaker may also stop delivering full 240 volts to your appliance needed. In most homes in the United States standard, outlets run on 120 volts. That's enough for lights, TV, charger, and small electronics. But large appliances like electric dryer, oven, HVAC system, water heaters usually require 240 volts because they need more power. A 240-volt breaker is normally a double pole breaker. That means it connected to two hot lines inside the electric panel. Each line provides about 120 volts, and together they supply roughly 240 volts. Now, here is where things get interesting. Sometimes one side of the breaker fails internally, and the breaker may still appear on. It may not trip, but instead of delivering the full 240 volts, it may only provide 120 volts. And when that happens, strange things start happening in your house. Your dryer may spin but not heat, your electric stove may partially work, your air conditioner fan may run but not cooling properly. A water heater may stop producing hot water. Why? Because many 240-volt appliances need both power legs to properly correctly work. For example, an electric dryer often uses 120 volt for the motor and controls and 240 volt for the heating element. So if one side of the breaker fail, the dryer might still run and make noise, but there is no heat. That can confuse a lot of homeowners. Now let's talk about safety. Circuit breakers are designed to protect your home from overload and short circuits. A typical residential breaker may last 20 to 40 years depending on usage, heat, moisture, and electrical load. But the breakers can wear out over time. Heat build up, loose connections, corrosion, or repeated trips or proper malfunctioning can damage the internal contacts. When that happens, resistance increases. More resistance creates more heat, and that can become dangerous. The sign of falling breakers can include burn marks, a breaker that feels hot, a buzzing sound, a burning smell, appliance acting weak or inconsistent.